Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. A Shumai is a Chinese dumpling that is steamed. It is very similar to other dumplings such as wonton or pot sticker. The main difference is how it is cooked. This is a filling with chicken, napa cabbage, and mushroom. I have made this filling in advance. The reason I want to add the cornstarch because I want the filling as dry as possible. When I store the filling in the refrigerator overnight, moisture tends to leak out from the napa cabbage. You can take a look at this video how I make the fillings. To save time, I make the skin the night before, and they store well in the refrigerator. You can take a look at this video how I make the skin. The shumai is probably the simplest dumpling to make. Basically, all you have to do is put the filling in the middle of the skin. And then you fold the skin around the filling, almost like a bowl. This is so simple. I used to demonstrate this to children, and they have no problem in folding it. As you can see, all you have to do is to pull up the skin and gather them and pinch them together. The dough will stick to each other. And when you use your finger pinch the dough together, they stay very well. Right here, what you've done is that you form almost like a tiny vessel. So as you can see, it is really simple and straightforward. To me, the most important thing in making shumai is don't put too much fillings on the skin. I usually end up putting too much, at least in the first few I fold, but quickly I figured it out. Shumai is very popular in southern part of China, particularly in the province of Guangdong. It is a main item in a Chinese breakfast called dim sum. For most families living in that part of China, a dim sum is like a Sunday brunch. I still have a very fond memory of having dim sums on Sunday. So okay, now you are ready to steam the shumai. But first of all, I'm going to show you how to make a lining that make up from parchment paper for the bamboo steamer. This lining is important because it prevents the shumai from sticking to the bottom of the steamer. You start by taking a piece of parchment paper. You fold the paper twice and then you cut it according to the shape of the steamer. So this way, when you open the liner, it will fit the round shape of the steamer. I then fold it again. In order to provide steam to pass through the parchment paper, I cut some small notches from it. This always reminds me of cutting paper crafts when I was a child. The parchment paper really helped to prevent the shumai to stick to the bamboo steamer. The other approach to prevent the shumai from sticking is use a brush to put a little bit oil over the surface of the steamer. To me, either method seems to work, but I like the parchment paper approach a little bit better, particularly when I do not want to have any excess oil on the shumai. So okay, now we are ready to put the shumai into the bamboo steamer. However, in this demonstration, I use oil rather than the parchment lining. Next, I put about 3 cups of water in the wok and bring them to boil. I steam the shumai for about 10 minutes. I want to make sure that I steam it long enough so the chicken is cooked. So okay, it is done. I couldn't wait to give it a try. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.